Royal College Seminary of Corpus Christi in the city of Valencia is known as the College of the Patriarch in honour of San Juan de Ribera, Patriarch of Antioch, Viceroy and Archbishop of Valencia, who was in charge of its foundation at the end of the 15th century. The Royal College was inaugurated in 1604 by the monarchs Felipe III and Margarita of Austria, to whom San Juan gave his nuptial blessing in Valencia. San Juan died on the 6th of January 1611 and bequeathed all his worldly goods to the Royal College. He assembled a great personal library of several thousand books, a rare achievement in those times. He was beatified posthumously in 1796 and canonized in 1960. Besides its artistic value, the institution preserves biographical documentation of great historical interest, including the oldest and most complete notarial documentation of Valencia from the 16th to 19th centuries. We know through dialogues of Luis Vives that the University of Valencia in the 16th century had a magnificent library, particularly in the dialogue about school when Espudeo and Tyro were talking about education and they passed in front of the university. Espudeo said to Tyro, "Go in, I will show you the public library of the university. This is the library. And according to the rules of great men, the library is situated where the sun rises in the summer." And Tyro with admiration exclaimed, "Oh, what books, what great authors and speakers, Greeks, Latins, poets, historians, theologians, and what wonderful authors' biographies." The origin of the library goes back to the donation in 1785 of the books belonging to the eminent Valencian gentleman Francisco Pérez Valle. Following this generous example, other professors offered the funds of their own collection to enlarge the increasing university bookstore. Unfortunately, during the War of Independence, a bomb burst on the university building, causing a fire, and most of the established funds were lost. This catastrophe encouraged the Valencian rectors, professors and aristocrats who remade the library, bequeathing their private collections. On its turn, the library carried out a purchasing policy which served to increase its already fed funds. The library was reopened in 1837 with these funds, plus the works proceeding from the funds of the convents that had been suppressed by Mendizábal's disentailment law. Valencian Institute for Restoration and Conservation of Cultural Heritage.